What's up, YouTube? Today we will be talking about my review on the 5%ers, the prop firm located where I do not know. I am a US trader for those who do not know. And today I'll be telling you guys about my journey and how I got scammed out of $100,000. So, to start things off, yes, I have purchased the prop firm's $100,000 account. Now, this started maybe 4 or 5 months ago. So I'd say, actually, I can't even say a number on it. I'd say we started around November or December. I've been trading with them for a while. I've been using them on MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4. It doesn't really matter. I've been using So if you're a US trader and you've been looking for a prop firm that's reliable, you probably went to YouTube and looked up videos on FTMO, The Funded Trader. I don't know the other ones, but plenty of different sites that I looked at reviews on, and the 5%ers was the one that I did not find proper reviews. Now, that's the reason I'm making this video, because this is something I've dealt with, and as a US trader, there's not enough videos out there talking about this in the first place. To start it all off, I have been trading with them for a few months, and I bought a $100,000 prop firm challenge. Now, if you guys know it, or if you guys don't know what a prop firm challenge is, this kind of ties into my last video that I made. Link in the description if you guys want to check that out. But yes, so I spent $465, I believe, for $100,000 prop firm challenge, which was the 2-step high stakes challenge. This is where you go through the first step. If you pass it, you go to a second step, and if you pass that, you get funded and you get a refund on the account that you had purchased the money or that you had sent the money from. So me doing all of this, me, getting into the prop firm, buying the account, I was on my first step. Now, if you check out my Instagram, I'm not even going to tell you, but if you check out my Instagram, you would see how my progress was doing on that account, which I had progress. It was an account that I've been using for a few months now, and all of a sudden, everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. So the account itself was closed. Now, I do not know what caused the account to get closed, as well as I was not able to trade on my account for over a month or two. And if you guys also tap in with the Instagram, you would know that there was a video that I made of where I lost, I believe, 2K or 1K, or I was 1K away from, and I said, hey guys, I'm going to take a month hiatus. So I took a month hiatus from trading, less than a month. I think it was 2 weeks, but my account was in limbo. So I was unable to trade on the account at all. This is because my MetaTrader 5 account was frozen. It showed up as an invalid account. So when I went onto the account as normal, it would not allow me to trade. So this is why I haven't been posting my trades recently. So I went to, as a normal human being would, I went to their support team and I was greeted with a crappy AI system. So if you have any forms of questions that you need, you're not gonna get any answers for real, bro. You gotta wait in this queue, then you've gotta get this AI to talk to them. You can't really speak with a live agent over the phone at all. You would have to text them, then it takes them a long time to reply. They don't solve your problem 59% of the times. It's very obnoxious, and I'm not gonna lie, if this is your job, if this is your full-time thing, and all of a sudden your account just goes MIA, you're thinking to yourself, oh my gosh, did I just fail my funded account? And that was the first thing I was thinking. I was like, oh, did I trade on a day I wasn't supposed to trade? Did I make a mistake by some chance? And the answer to that is no. They just straight up took the account out of nowhere. So, like I said, I went and reached out to their support team, messaged them, and was like, hey, guys, what's going on? As any normal person would. And they basically told me, yeah, so we're moving you US traders off of our platform now. What? When did that happen? So I had my account or my email linked to the account. That's a whole nother thing that I'm gonna talk about in a minute. And I was not getting emails. I was getting the random emails such as, hey, look at our new prop firm challenge here. Look at this limited time offer. It's very scammy in the way that it goes about approaching its customers and the people that have bought accounts off of them. So when I went to them and was like, hey, I can't trade on my account, I can't access it. And at this time as well, I couldn't even get into my account for my credentials because they had moved the platform over and their whole system was bugging for like 2 months or a month. And I was unable to log into my account. And where you would reset your password or where you put your email in or do all that, I went to reset my password and I was not getting any emails for a month or two. So for a month or two, I just threw out my money and I wasn't getting anything in return. So boom, I think my account's gone, as well as I can't log into my credentials. Boom, my first instinct is I got scammed. Now, I messaged them saying, hey, I can't log into my account either. This is when their support team was just utter crap. I messaged him. It took the guy over 20 minutes to give me one response. And he was like, hey, Evs, how can I help you? I said, hey, I can't log into my account. What do I do? 20 minutes later, I'm spamming, hello? Are you there? Hello? And this is where I say their live agents are absolute garbage. If you have any form of questioning at all that you want to give these people, you're not going to get an answer. It's just that bad. And if you do get an answer, you're going to have to wait a long time to get it. And you're still going to have no clarity at the end of it. So I went through about 5 chats in one day just to get a singular answer. And the answer ended up being, yeah, we're migrating to a new app. Your credentials will be sent over to you soon. Did you not receive the email? I said, what email? They said, oh, our apologies. You must have not received the email saying that we're migrating our customers over. First of all, if we are migrating, hold up, pause. I bought a funded account from you guys. You don't tell me that you're migrating until after you're already starting to process. They didn't give us a heads up. And even if they did give us a heads up, I didn't get a singular email the entire time. So I was in the dark all day, every day for 4 months, 3 months straight. It was horrible. I couldn't trade. I couldn't make any money. I couldn't pass my funded account. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm screwed. I lost my money. I'm cool. Kudos. Kumbaya. I was fine with it at first. And then I thought about it. I was like, dang, that's like $500 I just lost. And $100,000 I got scammed out of, bro. This is just a video telling you guys, do your research. This is the research that you need to do on the 5%ers. Was it a good prop firm? Sure. Was there some days that the market was being manipulated? Yeah, but if you're an okay trader, you should be alright. For the most part. Was the prices high? Not at all. Was the support team garbage? Yes. If you want answers, you're not getting them. I think this is probably the only video that you're going to get on the 5%ers, an honest review on the 5%ers ever. Will I be trading with the 5%ers now that they've done this whole migration thing and whatnot? No. Did I get a refund? No. So it's tough. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. What I recommend you guys do is extensively, I'm talking about a long time, do your homework. Think of how much you have as a budget. I already told you guys this. If you watched my last video, you would know this. Get a budget of about $3,000. Look at the best prop firms for the country, state, whatever nation, whatever you're in. What are the best prop firms? What are the most reliable What are the most reliable prop firms? Who has gone through it? Make sure there's extensive reviews on YouTube, social media, and everywhere else. These are real people that have reviewed it. Everywhere I saw about the 5%ers was just videos on, oh yeah, it's stressful. Oh yeah, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I'm not saying that they're just gonna straight up scam you and run off with your money. I mean, they kinda did, but I'm saying just be safe about what you're doing with your money, man. Once you send it off, it's gone. If you pay with crypto, you're also screwing yourself. You're not ever going to get a refund. There is a small chance that I still may get my refund within, I think they said like a month, just 14 days or something like that. unlikely, but there's a chance. So make sure you guys do your homework. Be responsible with your money. Then once you get on these prop firm accounts, make sure you're ready for it before you do it. So that way you don't just blow your money and boom, you have to repeat. Boom, blow your money, then you have to repeat. I want you guys to understand that the reason I'm posting this video isn't to just absolutely doo-doo on the 5%ers. It's so that I can make a video so you guys can relate and that you'll know before you go into it, so you don't waste your money. Everything I do on this channel is so that you guys don't have to make those same mistakes that I made, so y'all can be further ahead of me, so you guys can learn faster than I had to. You don't have to make the same mistakes. I just saved somebody $500, $600, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 on prop firm accounts because of what I just told somebody. That's my one mission for today. So take this very serious, because this is your money that you had to work hard for. Make sure you're going through regulated prop firms. Make sure everybody's licensing is clean so you don't go in your trading journey and then halfway through it, your account gets absolutely taken and now you're fiddling with this horrible support system that you can't even talk to a real person and it's just AI, and now you're not getting your money back and you're out of luck. And the thing is, when they migrated from the normal MetaTrader 5, I don't even know what platform they have us on now. You have to go in your Safari, download, share it, and then put it on your home screen, but it's still like a Safari extension. I don't know. So you guys do your own research. Don't take my opinion too harshly. Just know this is my experience. Your experience might be better. I don't know. But I'm just telling you guys the honest truth in my experience with this whole thing. There will be another video out next week. Wednesday is probably when I'm going to start posting my videos more consistently, every Wednesday, as well as I post daily on daily analysis on my trades. So you guys stay in tune. If you guys want me to be trading on a different platform, you want me to do a review on a platform, let me know. I'm more than happy to do that for you guys, and to get that, like I said, to take that risk, hop in the bed, but to take that, bro, this thumbs up emoji thing is killing me. But I'm more willing to take that risk if that's something that you guys want to see, so that y'all don't mess up in the future. Does that make sense? A prop firm that I've been wanting to try is the one of one TJR's prop firm. I'm thinking about trying that one, so I might do a review on that next. As well as in the future, I have planned on doing a passing a prop firm challenge series. So every day, instead of me doing my analysis videos, just my analysis videos, I'll be doing an analysis video plus me live trading. So I'll be on a live stream trading, and then I'll publish that live stream. Oh my gosh, I'll publish that live stream on my YouTube so you guys can see it later on if you want that. So you can see the steps that I took, and you can somewhat mimic them, or you can see the process I'm making in a live trade at that moment every single day that I trade until I pass that account. Alright guys, I'll check out later. Peace.
Have fun, I be murking these infants. Go the distance when I flex my fitness. You a witness, so fly like Nimbus.